Pero, sa bright side nun, lagi ko naisip, hindi eh. Meron akong faith, at the same time, meron taong mas mananalig yung faith, na hindi niya mas naiisip yung mga ganyang bagay. Hanggang yung end scene nun na, actually, di ako pinapaiyak ni Derek Robet. Dumapala lang ako, naiyak ako ng iyak ko, totoong asmakoy. Yung nagawa ko iyak, hindi ni Father Roel. Kasi hindi ko naman paano iyak si Father Roel. Pero iyak ko na yun, parang totoong ako na yun, na sabi ko, bakit ko ginagawa ito? Hanggang after nun, umiyak sila Father Ama, sabi ko, masarap sa feeling pala na naisip ko na sacrifice ko yung ganong bagay, pero yung resulta, nagaban ako na maayos yung trabaho ko.
I'm sure may kapalit lahat siya, di ba? Malay mo next year, Best Actor Award, di ba? Manifesting. Okay, so last question kay Sir Alex Medina. I'm just curious na po, ilang beses na po kayo nagkasama ni Sir Ben sa movie? Father?
Father.
And how does it feel?
Ilang beses na? Siguro mga...
More than?
Third time? For a movie, I think, yeah. Third time, yeah. It would seem na madaling ilagay kami in the same movie, pero hindi siya nagkakataon. It's mostly yung kapatid ko ang laging kasama ni Daddy.
And how does it feel ka-work si Daddy?
Actually, hindi kami nagkasama. Pero yeah, iba rin na kasama ko siya kasi nandun kami since the start yung script reading pala. So I can see how he really wanted, ganyan naman siya ever since eh. Like yung passion niya for films and acting is hindi matutumbasan talaga yun. It's fun seeing him speak his mind and marami siya actually nung script reading kasi I think this movie I think Direct Cesar wanted it for ano ba sabihin niya na MMFF yun ang namin pero like si Dad was saying na sayang yung script, sayang yung story, sayang yung material, sayang everything. Maganda wag imadaliin yung pelikula kasi meron siyang kahihinat na eventually. So yeah, and here we are. So yeah, it was a fun experience kahit hindi kami ganun na magkasama sa isang eksena. Thank you.
Thank you, di ba sa movie?
Thank you, sir. Sir Ben, anything to share?
Sige po.
Parang hindi pa rin kami magkasama ngayon. Kasi yung eksena ko, isa lang na napakagandang eksena, napaka-importante. Hindi ko lang kung maganda ko nagawa at hindi siya kasama doon. So, technically, hindi pa.
Susunod na lang.
Okay din actually, para hindi, yung stigma ng Nepo baby, syempre parang, at least para nadi-differentiate, hindi nadidikit lagi sa sariling way.
Okay. Very well said. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Erwin, and thank you as well, Sir Alex and Sir Ben. I think it has nothing to do with nepotism. The talent justifies the casting of this very, very amazing actors that we have here on stage. Next question will be coming from our media friend, Rider PH, Jojo Pandaligan.
Ay po, ang question ko po kay Father. Father, ano po sa buhay or work